Gates open, that up and racing. Jet Prop draws for your lead. Dugo, Anak Papato, Madam Composita. Moving up down on the inside is Speed to Riches. Amazing act in between runners. Fiery Bull. My Lucky One comes next, followed by Red Hot Water. Shifty, fourth last, third last, Manila Style running alongside War Star, while Winning Habit is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 600. Dugo, Anak Papato leading the field by about 2.5 lengths. Then running now in second on the outside. Moving up is Fiery Bull, Amazing Act. Then comes Jet Prop. Moving up once again on the outside is Speed to Riches. And running on the outside, My Lucky One, Shifty. As they turn for home, Dugo, Anak Papato leading the field, running on the outside is Speed to Riches. Red Hot Water running in between runners and on the outside, Shifty. My Lucky One also moving up. We have Speed to Riches, Shifty moving up on the outside, and finally Shifty is Speed to Riches, My Lucky One. Then comes Red Hot Water and Winning Habit for your Pentapecta.
Ah. Mhm.